I'm Ron Carlin, Deputy Fire Chief for the Vacaville Fire Department. We're here for a short, simple message, and that is, all fireworks are illegal in the city of Vacaville. We're here on a grassy area, much like the area where the fire burned last year on the July 4th of 2015, to show you and demonstrate to you how quickly a fire can start as a result of fireworks and how dangerous and potentially hazardous they can be to the area. Last year's 4th of July fire threatened over 100 homes at one point and caused lots of resources from the state to come in to help us, assist us fight that fire. There was lots of anxiety and lots of dollars spent to suppress that fire, and so we want to illustrate to you the importance of not using fireworks in Vacaville. Now here's what can happen when people use fireworks in our community. As you can see, it doesn't take much for fireworks to cause a grass fire. As a reminder, all fireworks, including safe and sane, are illegal in the city of Vacaville. I'm Ron Carlin, Deputy Chief for the Vacaville Fire Department. Thank you for watching and have a safe day.